is Sarah. I come from Yangmin Elementary School. My story is Score More, Score More. Score More is a fun game. It is a game you can afford, but you will not find Score More in a store. You can make Score More. Before you start, you need to find paper, pens or markers, blank cards, small beans or buttons. Score More has a trail. How do you want to draw your trail? You can draw two lines that twist and twirl. You picked. Score More is your game. Draw black inside the lines. Mark little more and 5 blacks. Mark the big one and 5 or more blacks. Do not forget to mark and on the last block. You can draw on your game if you want. Make a garden or a park. Now make cards. Think of tricks for you and your pals to do. Print the trick on the cards. Put the cards in a pile. Now you can start. Number 1, get 2 or more pals. Number 2, pick a card, do the trick. Number 3, if a pal can name the trick, go 2 blocks. If no one can name the trick, go back 1 block. Number 4, pass the cards to the pal on your left. The first one to get to the end is the winner. The winner scores more. You can make more trick cards or score more, or you can make up more games. Have fun!